Okay, so continuing with the Albert King, we're just going to use these bends up at the 9th fret of the high E, bring it back into box 1 in a very Albert King style fashion. Notice that I'm really harping, staying on the bend, and one thing that you'll hear him do on that bend is kind of catch some of the B string too, have 2 strings kind of ringing at once of... And the way to make that happen is make sure that that ring finger that's doing the bend is flat enough where it's catching the B as well. So you get both of those strings ring out. It's a little bit dissonant, but sounds just great in context. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4.